Constant says the CIA first reached out for him in 1991 after he became an advisor to his childhood friend, General Raoul Cedras. He said he was given a code name, Gamal, and an agency walkie-talkie so the CIA could summon him at a moment's notice. And he says he went on the payroll at around $700 a month.
How did you get paid?
U.S. currency, in cash.
From the station chief?
Yeah, from him.
And early on, he said the CIA encouraged him to provide damaging information about Aristide. On October 3, 1993, President Clinton sent this troop carrier to Haiti with 400 American and Canadian soldiers on board, part of a UN peacekeeping effort scheduled to return Aristide 2 weeks later. There were only about 40 protesters on the docks, but to everyone's surprise, President Clinton ordered the Harlan County to turn back. The CIA and the Pentagon had warned the president that these men posed a threat to American lives. But it turns out that they were all sent there by none other than Toto Constant.
I want all to know that if President Aristide returned, he will have the support of FRAPH.
No one failed to notice that it was only these U.S. combat troops that prevented this angry mob of Aristide supporters from attacking Constant. To him, it was a signal that the CIA was still with him. It was only after he ended up here in this prison that he realized he'd been abandoned.
Why do you think they're not standing up for you now?
Maybe they're scared.
Of?
Maybe they're scared too, after all these things that have been said about me. Maybe the White House doesn't want them to get in touch with me.
Remembering Constant's analogy to feeling like the beautiful woman scorned, we asked him if he were to find himself back in Haiti and the CIA were to call, would he sign on again?
Now, I need it on paper and openly. I would like, instead of being that girl that they go to bed with every night, secretly, this time I want to date. I want everybody to know that